Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to search for people on Roblox. First thing is open up your Roblox app. From the home menu, tap on add friends and then you can see search for people at the top. Now you can add your friends by inviting your contacts or connect with friends already on Roblox. You can let others scan your QR code to quickly add you as a friend. You can add them. Why do we need to search for people? Because Roblox is better with friends. So who you like to explore Roblox with? Search for people to add or connect with friends you already know. So let's say I want to search for someone. Tap on search for person and you put in the person's name as in the Roblox username. If you know it. And then as you can see, there's no one like that. So you must know the person's username to be able to search for them. So you can see, you can either username or the display name again. I repeat. Wish I knew one, but I don't. So anyway, don't forget to use their username or display name, put it in here, and then you'll be able to see them. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.